What's up guys, it's Lara and Zeki here. Today Zeki is on the keyboard and he is going to show you what his avatar is.
Well, yeah, I'm going to be making my avatar.
So he's going to
like someone from India.
He's going to show you like all what he has and where it's from and yeah.
Well, not all what it is from. I'm just going to create my avatar and then I'll show you what I used.
Yeah. And then in another video that's gonna be posted on my channel is gonna be me doing my character. All of these are gonna be uploaded on his channel, all these videos that we're making, but
I only do like 2 videos because I only have 3 videos and she has like 17 subscribers and I only have 2, so like we're trying to help each other out become famous, kind of.
It's 11:24. Very soon, it's gonna be 2019. We'll try and make a video like after it finishes. We'll try and make a video.
We'll try and like make a video. Like we'll do like a little like short vlog to like show you.
And we'll be excited. We'll be like Happy New Year.
Which one?
Do that. Oh, that one. No, that one.
I need to look like the character, and I'm aiming for my character to look like someone from a Roblox music video, except it won't look exactly like the person because
it looks like a guest.
I don't have the exact like I don't have the exact materials.
So my account got like I forgot the password to it and it had a lot of Robux on it, so I had to sign into my other account that has Robux on it.
Yeah, that happened to me. Like I lost my Roblox account because I didn't know what my password was. Actually, I might just go into costumes, guys.
Might I have one more?
Yeah. I have all of these cool costumes.
I'm eating gum right now. Ready?
These outfits are actually the years. So like, I first started off looking like that, and then I went to that, to that, to that, to that, to that, to that, to that. Oh no, reset those guys. To that, that. And then Ninja Kid, outfit 1, Blocky, Cool Dude, and outfit 4. And then Shale, then Guest, then Doofy, then Noob.
And now he has his new avatar at the end. After he does his character, at the end he'll show you his new character that he has now.
Well, I'm actually like trying to look better than I did the last time I did it. Sorry if I'm like taking so long in this video, like might be a waste of your time, but we need the industry. Like I just came up with this random idea. I just like said to Lara, hey, should we like create our own avatars again?
And I was like, yeah.
So then
we're getting video ideas from us, so we want to do the same with you guys. We want you guys to start giving us video ideas to do to gain our subscribers.
Even though there's not very many people watching, probably, we still need your help.
We need your help, and we need to try and grow bigger as a family. So yeah, we need to like. By the end of this year, what we would like about probably
25 subs.
No, a bit more than that. Probably about 40 subs would be. If we could get more, that would be great. But I'm aiming for at least 40, 30 subs.
I got an idea.
Who's this character?
Actually, you'll see.
Why is he sunburned?
You'll see. I'm making my character all black.
Ah, it's like a smith, like a person, like a ghost smith. Is that what you're aiming for?
Well, basically, but I don't have the what's it called?
Dominus, isn't it?
No, not the Dominus.
The invisible.
I don't have like the animation.
Oh yeah.
I completely changed my mind. I don't know why I put all of this stuff on. I'm very sorry.
Also, guys, you need to like this video because we've been looking at Roblox music videos.
Have you guys even subscribed yet? That's the real question.
We get about 3 likes. We're aiming for 3 likes on this video at least. And we'll do a Roblox music video.
Yeah. We'll at least try because she's done a Roblox music video and I haven't because I'm not a very big YouTuber. So this is gonna be posted on my channel. Yeah, Sona Armac. Well, my dad made the account, so I know why it kind of stinks. The name.
You can rename it.
No, I did not.
You can rename it to your name. Roblox Black Zeki 1. Do you want to name it? I'm going to rename it after. It's only on the YouTube account too.
I need it to be all black.
Actually, no, but I'll change it later. Where did you get this from?
It's a code.
Oh, should we give it away to them guys?
No, I already used it, so no one else can use it. Well, if you guys don't know, once you use a Roblox card code, no one else can use it because it's already been redeemed.
Okay.
So, yeah, sorry we can't give it to you.
Well, next time we get our Roblox card, we're gonna reveal it, and then
like first one to use it gets it.
Yeah, so we'll reveal it, and the viewer that gets it gets it.
Wait, I can't. Oh, that stinks. I can't put my body all black.
Oh, I'll show you. No, I'll show you. This weird glitch thing that you do.
It keeps on kicking me out.
Loading. I'm gonna go to. Oh, we can use that.
But it needs to be black.
Wait.
That will not help. Wait, no, I like that.
Do you want to change the pins to more black?
No, I like what you just did there. And change my mind again. Alright, I'm just gonna see which one looks the best. I have the straight girl blonde hair because a few months ago, my friends forced me to be a girl in Roblox.
Yeah, that looks better because do you want to be like a black ghost?
I don't need to be a black ghost anymore because you just changed my mind.
You're not really a ghost, but you're just like a dark person, I guess. Like a person that put on sunglasses. Well, grab a car, crazy, guys, comment down below if you know the song Sweet Butter Psycho.
And also comment down below if you know the song Pretty Little
Psycho.
I used to watch it all the time. It's a Roblox music video. But if you're like really young, don't watch it.
Why?
You saw what happened.
What? Oh, no.
Of course so. Sorry.
It's just that people getting stabbed, but it's like a Roblox. But yeah, if you're still like you're very young, you can do it. You don't want to get into it.
It's just like this. Well,
put that on.
Spoiler alert right now. No, I'm not putting it on. Spoiler alert. If you haven't seen Pretty Little Psycho, there's actually a really bad like influence where there's this really weird meme going around on YouTube with Roblox music videos, like when the World Stories happen. like you and your friends, you just have a chat of like you love this person, and then
the friend cheats.
The friend just like doesn't care about you anymore, and kisses like
the
boyfriend.
person. No, the person
your
that
boyfriend
the
or girlfriend, whichever gender you are.
There's only 2 subscribers on this channel.
Well, yeah, we're not very famous.
If we, at the end of the year, if we get 25 subscribers at least, I'll be happy. Are you done?
Hold on. So yeah,
I got an idea. I can.
Not finished. Your friend just like didn't care about you anymore and just kisses
the friend that. Okay, let me just put this out an easier way. The friend talks about with the other friend how they like this boy. Then that friend betrays that
and then just
kisses the guy she liked or he liked.
And then there was this girl called Erica. She got so mad at her friend that like she pulled a knife out of her pillow. Sorry. He pulled a knife out of the pillow.
Here.
Right.
Sorry, we don't have webcam.
Yeah, sorry.
So guys, this is his final. No. Because I got this idea, guys, that I'll create my character on his account. I'll create how I look, because I don't have.
Wait, no. Erica grabs the knife, and then like Zoe and like the boy that Erica likes. Sorry. We'd learn how to do something.
Guys, I gotta sign into my account, but we're gonna make a separate video because we are running out of time.
We've done 12 minutes, and our time limit
is
of
15
doing
minutes.
videos of 15 minutes.
Alright.
But I'll tell you the finishing touch of the story. Erica kills Zoe and then goes to the bar which Jake was at. And then she asks Jake if they could go out together, but Erica has Zoe's blood all over her. So Jake asks, why do you have blood all over you?
And she's like, don't worry about that. Do you want to go out with me?
She's, oh, it has something to do with Zoe. And then Jake just says, oh my god. And then Erica says, so can we be together now?
He's like, are you insane?
I'm not gonna date you. Are you insane or something? And then Erica just stabs him, and then she just gets arrested by the police. And then there's a part 2 called Look What You Made Me Do.
So
Go and
yeah,
check that out.
that's where we got the influence from. So
I was trying to make Jake, but like I failed and then just made something else.
Alright guys, so
we're gonna sign into Lara's account, but it's gonna be in a separate video.
So yeah, bye guys, I'll see you in the next video. Happy New